Guys, welcome back. Today I'm actually packing for Europe. Me and my sister were doing, a Europe trip. We're specifically going to Italy, just 3 different places, but I wanted to show you how I pack and the travel hygiene essentials that I need to take, especially going overseas. Like I can't leave my essentials, but I wanted to do that because I saw a comment and I was like, that would actually be nice. This is informative. So pack with me slash the main focus is going to be like the travel hygiene essentials. But a couple things are new. This camera's actually new. I actually got the Digi Pocket 3. It's so easy because I'm like, when I go to Italy, this is gonna be so easy to like walk around with and it won't take a lot of space in my bag. I just don't like how pixely it looks. If you could see, like, it kind of like exaggerates the dark circles and stuff. But anyway, I'm so excited to go to Italy, especially with my sister. We've always wanted to go on a sister trip, and this is my sister that's a year older than me. You'll see. Okay, next vlog, I'm gonna vlog Italy and like everything we do. So you're gonna see her. If you don't know her, you'll meet her. Because me and her were basically twins. We're like a year apart. Okay, it follows me. Do you see? I love that. Okay, you don't need to follow everywhere. We're gonna pack. I brought all my things here just to pack here because I do have to like do some work before leaving. Also, they're delivering the couch tomorrow. And I'm so glad because it's like right before we go on our planes. They said 7:30 to 10:30 and our plane leaves 3:40. So we need to be in the airport at like 1. I go early. I go like hours early. I feel like that's normal. If it's not, let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna be taking my base bag. I love this carry-on. I got it for my birthday as like a birthday gift. Like it's just quality. You could tell like Shay Mitchell, she thought about this. One thing I forgot to mention is that we're going for 10 days and we're only bringing carry-ons. It's because we just don't want things to be lost, but also we're like going town, city to city, town to town. And it's like, if we have a big checked bag, it's like we're dragging that everywhere in Italy. I don't think so. So we're just gonna do laundry. We're gonna share clothes. We're gonna rewear stuff. Also, my hair's halfway done. My sister's gonna redo the front. I actually got a sew-in, but I need to fix it because it just doesn't look good back there. But anyway, ignore that, okay? We're just gonna focus on packing. The only thing I'm missing is a jacket that I ordered because, it's fall now. So Italy is kind of chilly, especially where we're going. I need that jean jacket to come in. It's literally like I can pick it up. It's an hour away from my house. But also I had like this cute blouse. I can actually forget that. I just need the jacket. That's all I need. Let's just pack and I'm gonna go back home and sleep. These are my fall shoes. I've been eyeing these shoes, but do you see the color? This is the main reason why I got it, but I'm taking to Italy with me. One thing I love when packing is using packing cubes. I feel like it's the easiest thing because you know exactly where everything is. Your pants are in one box, your shirts, your tops are in another. You know exactly where your underwear, socks is at. So I get mine from Amazon. This is from Amazon. I was missing some, so I bought a couple more for this, but I love when everything's compartmentalized. That's what you say. I also bought laundry detergent strips just so like, I don't know, that Europe airport, like, are they gonna allow us detergent? So I bought laundry detergent strips from Amazon and it's like tiny strips, has soap. You could just put it in the laundry. Small loads, obviously, those things are tiny. First, I'm gonna put all my tops in one bag. My pants, bottom, skirts. I'm gonna put everything together. Then I'm gonna show you my travel hygiene essentials. So these are the things I got from Target. I don't have my full bag. I don't know how I forgot it at home, but it's just a mess, like going back and forth from my studio home, but I'm gonna get it together in Jesus' name. Number one thing, a Tide stick. You don't know how many times I've spilled something on my shirt and I'm like, I just wish I had like a Tide stick. Like, it's so tiny, it's easy to travel with. I need a Tide stick. Also, pimple patch. Like, this just comes in handy. You never know. Like sometimes like when I'm traveling, maybe the air is like just different, but I tend to like break out. So if I just have something right here and I just need a pimple patch, I have it. I remember when I went to Puerto Rico for Afro Nation, I had like a pimple right here and I'm like, only if I had this. So I was walking around everywhere with toothpaste. I mean, toothpaste works, but you don't want like a white spot and everybody's like, oh, you have something on your face. I'm like, no, no, no. So I need to bring this. I think I got this from my sister, or maybe I double bought it because I'm like, why did I get two? This is my jewelry bag. I just need to put that there. I actually found one of my favorite lotions in a mini travel size. It's only 2.5 fluid ounces, and every time you travel, it has to be less than 8 fluid ounces or 100 milliliters. And I got it. I'm so happy because one thing about traveling is like you don't want too heavy of a moisturizer where you break out, or it's like in Italy, I don't think it's gonna be hot because it's, you know, October. Like you want to be moisturized. I have gum for traveling. My breath just has to be fresh. Also, like in the airport, you're closing your mouth for such a long time, and like, you know, when you're closing your mouth, nothing like, obviously I'm gonna brush my teeth before landing because I think it's like an 11-hour travel time landing in Germany, also Germany to Milan. So I just like having some type of gum. Also, I do have Invisalign, so mint is better, but either way I have to take out my Invisalign because I can't have sugar under my Invisalign. So traveling with like gum, so important. I used to travel with electric toothbrush until it started like the battery just kept dying over and over and over, and I was like, no, it's uncomfortable to go manual on electric. So I just bought a manual toothbrush. Like, it's okay. And then this is handy. Like, there's times I dress up so nice and then I just need this because of the white feathers on me. So I'm gonna keep this, and it's so tiny, it's like able to fit. I got laundry detergent sheets. This is what I was talking about with the laundry detergent sheets. If you want to do laundry, like if you're going to Airbnb or, you know, traveling overseas and you're scared that, you know, the airport might be like, your liquid's too much or they won't let you take laundry detergent, this is perfect. I was watching videos and I'm like, this is the perfect thing because we're traveling with a carry-on, so we need to do laundry. Like midway in our Airbnb at one place, we're staying at 2 hotels and 1 Airbnb. We could just do laundry, and it's just like these strips and you could just put it in there. That was from Amazon. I need some type of bar soap. Like, I've traveled with liquid body wash and it's just, I keep finishing it the 3rd day, and I'm gonna be there for 10 days. So I'm gonna take 1 body wash and bar soap, and this bar soap will last me a month if I take it 2 showers a day. So I'm gonna just take 1 of these because it comes in a 4-pack, and I love how this smells. Then, so important, planes are dirty, as I mentioned. So I just, you know, take this just in my personal bag, and I wipe down the trays, everything I just touch. Traveling, you could just get sick. It's also flu season, and, you know, with traveling, I don't want to get sick, so I'm gonna make sure I'm wiping and disinfecting things. I got Tylenol. I have a whole bag of medicine, so my basic medicines that I need to take is Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol if my stomach hurts, Tums, like, you know, obviously for like stomach aches, but mostly heartburn. And then I also bought apple cider vinegar pills. I didn't know they have that. Me and my sister, you know, we struggle with heartburn. So if we eat something and we get heartburn, I got some apple cider vinegar pills. Okay, so that's all I got from Target. My other staples are, you know, deodorant. I have that. I have a mini size for my purse because we're gonna be walking everywhere, so I have a purse for that. And it's a tiny deodorant so that I could just reapply as we're walking. I'm sure we're gonna sweat, so I need to refresh it. What is this bag? Oh, this is my medicine bag. Let me show you. So, actually, I got this Talia Wadjet curly cream. It smells so good. But what I'm gonna do is, I could take this whole thing, but I'm just gonna take a little bit, put it in a bottle. This spray bottle, I'll put half water, half of this, spray it, and just like help my leave out. Oh, it's gonna look so much better next vlog, because right now I'm gonna go home and my sister's gonna fix the back and re-braid right here and just everything. I'm gonna be reapplying this with water just so my curls could just look refreshed, shiny, smell good. This smells so good. And then I got ginger chews. So ginger chews, they're really good, like if you get nauseous on planes or going, you know, traveling to a different country. This year I went to Bali, Dubai, and I'm gonna go to Italy. But all these times that I'm like traveling, especially Bali, I had to make sure I'm, you know, there's this thing called Bali belly where you get sick from eating, you know, food from that's not used to my stomach. So I really coated my stomach with charcoal, also probiotics, like stuff like that those good bacteria that help fight the bad bacteria. But ginger chews, it helps with like stomach ache, but it's mainly for like if you're feeling nauseous, just not feeling that great, your body's just like, ugh, after eating something. Ginger chews are the best things. So I'm definitely gonna be taking that. This is the apple cider vinegar pills I was talking to you about. This is really good because me and my sister, we drink kombucha apple cider vinegar the whole day, like just every single day. So just having this, just in case we don't have heartburn, is a must. And I'm actually gonna like not take the whole thing because I feel like it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna put it in smaller bags. But yeah, that's it. I wish I could show you the full hygiene bag. I don't know how I forgot it in this videos about hygiene, but I think I have most of my hygiene essentials that I need. Other than this, like definitely I take my African net cloth because it's easier to dry. Whenever I have like cloth, it's just in traveling with it and it's wet inside the bag, especially like opening and closing it, traveling everywhere. So I like taking my African net since it dries faster. And then also I take my baby washcloth, you know, to wash my downstairs area. And then I also take face wash for my feminine wash. I'm gonna bring like a silk scarf just so my hair doesn't get frizzy. I'm gonna pack the rest of my things and then I'm probably gonna head home. I'm struggling with 4 pants and 5 tops. Everything's so bulky. Did you bring a jacket?
That's the thing. I don't know. I don't have a cute jacket.
Guess what I found? I found apple cider vinegar pills.
No way.
Yeah, it's so cool.
You should take, I have Tylenol.
I'm gonna go home and then I'm gonna show you the rest of my travel hygiene things that I'm gonna pack. Cause I'm not fully done, but I just need to put it in here. But me and my sister were mostly done. It's actually the next morning. I finished packing yesterday, like with all my hygiene things, but I'm still waiting for 2 things to arrive to my doorsteps. It says it's supposed to arrive like in an hour, and it's like a jacket. I need it because I know I'm gonna be cold. One thing about me. My sister's in the shower right now. I'm basically done packing everything and I need to shower, change. But let me show you exactly what I packed. I feel like I packed good. This is what I packed so far. This is my Coach bag. This is gonna be like my everyday bag that I'm just gonna put everything. Already, to save some space, I just put some things in here like I always bring a satin pillowcase. Like I just don't feel comfortable sleeping in any type of pillowcase, like if I'm gonna break out or anything like that. So I just make sure to bring my own. Also for my hair, like I want it to, you know, not be frizzy. I love taking plastic bags just cause for, you know, dirty socks, underwear, but also, you know, if I have wet clothes and I can't wash it right then and there and I can't find a plastic bag, I always like to bring it. Pants, my top. I also brought a shawl. And then this side. Okay, so this is the hat. Maybe I might wear it, maybe I might not, but it helped me save up some space. This is also a scarf I'm gonna wear with one of my outfits. And 2 belts that I have. Okay, that's like accessories. This is my jewelry, but it's like mostly bulky. It's not a lot, it's just that it's bulky. My shoes. This is my hygiene bag. This is from Baze. Like I love this hygiene bag. I used it this whole year for Belize, Bali, Dubai, everywhere I go, even the smaller trips I go to. I actually put my makeup in here also. So this is how big it is. And I just put it in here. It just fits. But the one thing is I know I'm gonna have to squish this. Because I'm like, how is this so bulky? Like, I'm gonna have to sit on this and then close it. But that's it. And then this is like my carry-on. I have Clorox wipes, face wash, Lysol, sunscreen, Tylenol. And then I have to bring my Kindle. Actually, it's my first time bringing my Kindle. I feel like watching TV all the time is just not that, you know, it gets boring. Like, you need to do stuff. We're gonna be in the plane in the airport for like 11, 12 hours. I brought my G7X just cause if I want to take pictures, I have to bring my tripod. I need to take I'm pretty sure this is called Octobuddy, but you put this in the mirror if I do get ready with me's. Also, if you don't follow my TikToks, I do like smaller, shorter content. The same thing I do here is just here, you know, I talk a lot more, I give a lot more detail. But, you know, the short form, if you want something quick, follow my TikTok. Also my shorts, sometimes I post on that, but it's mostly my TikTok and my Instagram Reels. Cannot forget Aquaphor. The way my lips are so dry on the plane. I bought gum. This morning I went to Sephora to get sunscreen and then I was like, I don't think I have any travel size perfume, so I got this replica. It's under the lemon tree and it smells so good. When I put this on my skin, it went so well with my chemistry. I always take charcoal, activated charcoal, just to coat my stomach if my stomach doesn't agree with the food from another country. This is my medicine bag. I was gonna put it in here, but then I was like, I like it when it's handy. So I'm gonna put this camera here. This is the camera bag. But I honestly think I'm done. Like, I just need to shower, change. We need to be at the airport in an hour. It's 12 right now, and our flight leaves 3:40. We need to go soon. I downloaded a lot of things on Netflix. Flying, I'm getting better at it, but I've never always been a fan. I don't know. Just something like I used to love flying because I used to go to school in New Mexico, so I would have to fly Christmas break, summer break. I didn't come home for Thanksgiving or spring break, but like it was always flying and I loved it. Like the turbulence gave me some boost. But then for some reason, one time I was coming back from Germany and I couldn't eat because of the turbulence. Like something snapped. And so, I've been getting better at it, but I always pray. I always, whenever I just don't feel easy about the turbulence, I'm like, God, I trust you. And he never failed me. So I know it's going to be a good time in Italy. I'm not going to let that stop me, but I always like to download movies, reading, sleeping. I think sleeping is the number one thing that helps me on the plane. Is like it passes time. You wake up and it's like 2 hours left. I'm like, yes. But I'm just gonna close up everything, close up shop, take a shower, change, and head to the airport. But I just want to show you like my travel essentials. Since I'm not taking a lot, these are my actual essentials. Like I can't take serums for my skin. I can't take none of that. So this is the only thing I actually need when I travel. Stay tuned for the next vlog. It's gonna be Italy vlog with my sister. YouTube is gonna have way more. Thanks so much for watching and come again.